Well, greetings from the sales floor of Ellingson Motorcars here in Rogers, Minnesota, suburb of Minneapolis, Minnesota. Today, our latest acquisition, one of the first, of course, the first, Tri-Five Chevy, a 1955 Chevy Bel Air, two-door hardtop, Restomod. I'm going to give you the details in a moment. Well, greetings from the sales floor of Ellingson Motorcars here in Rogers, Minnesota, a suburb of Minneapolis, Minnesota. Today we are going to talk about our latest addition to our inventory, which is close to 100 cars, a 1955, first of the Tri-Five Chevys, 55 Bel Air two-door hardtop. And is this an exceptional Restomod car? I mean, this is done to an extremely well done car. I mean, it is beautiful in every sense of the word. The black paint on this car is just stellar. I mean, when you look down the sides, it's straight as a pin. Really nice. Chrome is incredibly nice too. I mean, I always love the hood birds. They are just one of my favorite things. You're going to want to watch this entire video from start to finish because we're going to do a cold start, hear how nice this thing does through Flowmasters. We're going to do a walk around, give you more of the details of the inside, outside, everything aspect of the car. You can also click on the link in our description of this particular car and it'll take you right to the car and our website, which is www.ellingsonmotorcars.com, where we have close to 100 classic and collectible vehicles ranging from cars from the 1920s to the 1970s and beyond. So if you're looking for a classic collectible car, chances are we probably have it here at Ellingson's. Make us a favorite. It's always a good thing. But yeah, just take a look. I guess I've always been enamored. My uncle had a 55 Chevy when I was a kid, and he had a Z28 motor in it from a 67 Camaro. It was the fastest car. We just loved it. I mean, we went up and down the hill by my dad's work, up and down. It's just 55 Chevys have a special place in lots of guys' hearts. Of course, for Chevrolet in general, first year for the V8, of course, and the 12-volt system. It was one of those cars that will always have a special spot in most of us collector car guys' hearts, no matter what. But yeah, beautiful car all the way around, beautiful chrome front bumper guards. I love the grille, of course. And as I said, it's a Restomod. By being a Restomod, that means it pretty much looks stock on the outside other than the chromies on the front with the radial tires. I mean, that's obviously old school look, which really is very good for this particular car. But it also has under the hood a little more performance if you could ever imagine. It has a 383 stroker motor with a fuel injected system. So it's really got some performance in this car as well. Plus, it's got power steering and it's got a Wilwood braking system, disc fronts, drums back, but it's got all that good stuff under the hood. Take a look at the picture. Plus it's got air conditioning as well. Really, with a black car, with the black guts, it's probably one of those necessities in almost any way and world you go into. But yeah, take a look at the inside. Not only is it a 383 stroker with lots of performance, but it's got a 4-speed transmission. So you really have the fun and pleasure of one of these old cars with tilt steering. It's got the digital, Dakota digital gauges, aftermarket stereo, leather interior. This is actually leather seats with the cloth inserts with seat belts as well. Really, really well done car. That came out of Georgia. Nice thing to come from those kind of parts of the country because they're going to be a lot cleaner. They don't have the rust problem that you get if you buy a car that lived in Minnesota back in the days because, hey, these were cars that everybody drove. They were your everyday driver. 55 Chevy, everyone drove it. But yeah, just take a look at this car. It does have beautiful sounding dual exhaust, as I mentioned, and everything about the car is really, really nice. Now, you can find all of our cars on Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram as well. Give us a like, leave us a comment, or subscribe. I'm sure you'll find lots of interesting things about this car, our current inventory, and we'll have some of the cars we sold in the past as well. So if you have time to peruse through the internet, there you go. There's always interesting stuff to look at on those websites. Now, if you're one of these guys like me Oh, that's right. Remember the Bel Airs have the chrome stripes that go across and the inside with the headliner. Oh, just another one of those upgraded things. They made sure to let you know that it was a Bel Air. I mean, it's just, that's part of what they did back in these days. But if you're like me, I'm one of these guys that would like to come on down and I have to look at it in person. You would not be disappointed on this car. It is extremely nice. But yeah, you can come on down. We're open Monday through Fridays from 10 until 5, Saturdays 10 to 4 as well. So come on down. We'll let you take a closer look. You'll see that this is truly an exceptionally nice car. Take a look at it again, as I said, at our website at www.ellingsonmotorcars.com. And we thank you very much for checking out our latest acquisition and all the other cars we currently have in stock. We thank you very much, and we will see you next time at Ellingson Motorcars.